Hey guys, welcome back. Let's recap what we have done in the last session. So in the last session, we have created a sendmail method, which will be taking the transaction as a param, and we have taken the base URL for the customer service and base URL for the account service, and we have constructed the sender account service. We have constructed the complete URI for the sender account, complete URI for the receiver account. Okay, and we have send the request. We have we send the request using the we are like sending the request using the REST template to the center account service URL, and this will be returning the account details. In a similar way, we will be doing it for the receiver account as well. Just copy it and here change it to the receiver account, or you can say beneficiary account also. Then there won't be a problem actually. Here you need to change it to receiver. Okay, receiver account complete URI. Okay, sorry here. Okay, I hope this would be fine. Okay, this is fine. So now we have the both sender account and receiver account details actually. Okay, so now what I will do is what I'll do is I have the sender account receiver account details right now. I'll be making a call to the customer service center customer service. Okay, so I'll say send customer service, or we can say that something like this string uh, customer service complete URL. Okay, so customer service base URL, and we will be concatenating. We will be customer service base URL, customer service base URL. So if you see this customer service base URL, will be expecting us to pass the. If you see this customer service, right? So we will be having the base URL up to here, and in order to get the customer details, we need to pass the customer ID. So we will be passing the customer ID first. This is for the customer service base URL for the sender account. Customer service complete URL for sender. So why I'm doing two times, you'll come to know. Okay, close, complete, remove that one. So now here you need to pass. What is that? What you need to pass? You need to pass sender account dot get customer ID. You got the customer ID. Similarly, you will work for the receiver as well. I'll say RC via receiver and customer service base URL, and here instead of sender account, I'll be using the receiver. I'll be using the receiver. I'll say receiver account dot get customer ID. So these are the two URLs we have. One is the customer service complete URL for the sender, customer service complete URL for the receiver. Now we have these two URLs. So now let's send the request actually. How you will be sending the request? You'll be using a REST template and you will be calling the endpoint actually, get for object, and here you need to pass the customer service sender. Here you are expecting it to, so when you are making a call to this endpoint, if you see here, see this is a customer service, right? This is an endpoint, a complete endpoint we constructed as of now. So when you make a call to this, so you should be getting the customer related details, right? So you are getting the customer related details now. So now here also you are expecting the same. You need to get the customer related details. So you should say I'm expecting a customer related details. But this customer class, it is not there in the transaction service. So what you have to do, you have to go to the customer service. You have to go to the customer service. We have to copy the the customer pojo, and we have to paste it into the DTOs. Okay, DTOs. So here what you have to do, you have to remove the JPA annotations. So this becomes a DTO class which doesn't have any JPA related annotations. So it will not, so the Spring Boot will not consider these as an entity classes, so it will not persist into the database. Okay, so now we have customer class. So now let's import this customer class. Go to the transaction utility. Let's import this customer class. Okay, so this particular endpoint is written in the customer, and if you see, the response would be expecting as a customer only. It will be expecting customer. I'll say this is a sender customer. Similarly, you have to do it for the receiver as well. Receiver customer. So here you should say receiver. That's it. So you have both a sender account number and receiver account number. You have a sender customer details and a receiver customer details. All these details you will be having it, and with that you will be having the transaction details as well. Now it's time for us to construct the notification. So I'll be creating a notification object. We'll be creating an object of notification equal to new new notification. That's fine. So now what I'll do is I'll be setting up all these details like to in the notification. You can see in the notification we have the email, alert type, message. If you want to set the mobile also, you can set it. Okay, as of now I'm not going to set up the mobile as well. I'm not going to set the mobile. So let me go back to my transaction utility class. In the transaction utility class, I'll be setting up all these things. Notification dot set. I'll be setting up the message and email alert type and the emailer. First, I'll be setting up the email. I'll get the email details. So, okay. So here, one thing I'll remove this one. Here, one thing I need to do is I need to write two methods. One is, see here, we have the customer details, account details, and the transaction details handy with us. Now, the next thing what you are going to do is you need to debit the amount from the uh, account, and you need to credit the amount back to the receiver or beneficiary. Beneficiary. So here you are doing that actually. Here you are doing that here you're doing that. You'll be crediting it, you'll be crediting it, you'll be debiting it, and you'll be crediting it. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to write a separate method for sending the notification for sender, and you have to create a separate method for sending a notification for creditor as well, so the beneficiary as well. Okay, so let me write the method actually. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll stop it over here. In the next session we will be completing this, okay, this implementation. Okay, until then, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my videos, okay, so that I'll get more interest, and so I can make more videos on these Java. Okay, so thank you for watching.